Losing fat involves a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes. Here's a step-by-step process for losing fat. 1. Set realistic goals. Determine your weight loss goals based on your current health, body composition, and desired outcomes. It's important to set achievable and sustainable goals. 2. Healthy eating. Focus on creating a calorie deficit, which means you consume fewer calories than you burn. This encourages your body to use stored fat for energy. Consume a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Limit or avoid highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages. 3. Regular exercise. Engage in both cardiovascular exercises and strength training to promote fat loss and muscle preservation. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, and swimming help burn calories, while strength training builds muscle that boosts metabolism. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports metabolism and can help control appetite. 5. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can affect hormones related to hunger and metabolism, making it harder to manage your weight. 6. Manage stress. High stress levels can lead to overeating or making poor food choices. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 7. Consistency. Maintain a consistent routine of healthy eating and exercise. Slow and steady progress is more sustainable than drastic changes.